So this project, it's going to be about $10 million project. We bought the land for $1 million, and part of that, we've actually had to demo some of these buildings. So there was some fire damage where the past owners couldn't keep up with the insurance and the added CapEx. So we actually had to demo 2 of the buildings here completely. And right here you'll see one of the buildings completely demoed. Because of its zoning, we'll be actually able to rebuild it as a triplex. And then one of the other facilities we're going to actually rebuild as a laundry facility for the residents. Here we had to fill this pool up. It was actually becoming a hazard. We had wildlife growing out of it. This used to be the leasing center and pool area. So what we can actually do here is turn this into a laundry facility and add a playground here for the residents. So we're bringing back online affordable, but also an investor-friendly product. So somewhere between A-class and C-class, a nice place for residents to live, but also one that they can afford. Already have our plumbers getting to work. As you can see here, we've had to take a lot of this old piping out, no longer functional or at least safe for future residents. We want to make sure we're doing a good job here. The plumbers are really kicking butt right now, so we're really excited about this part done so we can go in and getting these places rented out.